Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you like this backdrop. It's new, just wanted to change things up, you know. Got my caftan on, got my eye mask on, my braids are up in the bun because, you know, we about to get into this. Thumbs up this video if you like the background, and thumbs up this video if you like my caftan. Fun fact, my husband hates it. All right, so we're jumping right into this. We're gonna start off first with our eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using my MAC pencil and stud, and then I'm also going to use a light brown pencil. Nothing fancy here, I promise you. So now I'm going in with some Got To Be Glued. I like to use this for the front portion of my eyebrows to keep my eyebrow hairs in place because I think that it looks a little bit better when I use this. I'm going to go ahead and use a spoolie and just, you know, blend that out. I'm thinking that I'm going to take the eyebrow portion out of my videos because it's pretty boring. All I use is a pencil and then I conceal just to clean them up, and that's pretty much it. Leave a comment if you think I should take that part out because I'm probably going to start leaving it out. All right, anyway, now I'm going into my Milk Hydro Grip Primer and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my face, rub that all in. And then I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm gonna use just a very small amount of this, but I'm gonna put this on my cheek area just so that when I put my highlight on, it does give me like a smoother appearance. So I like to put this here. Now I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus spray in the coconut scent. I'm going to grab this cute little fan that I got from Amazon. I got this for makeup purposes, but I mean, it's summertime. If you just want your own little personal fan, I would suggest you getting it. It's pretty lit. So here on a little palette, I'm taking my LA Girl concealer corrector in the orange color and mixing that with Cool Tan because the orange is a little bit too orange for me, but when I mix it, it gives me this cute peach color that's not so harsh. So I already put that on, I blended that out, that's on, boom. Now, what we about to do? We about to jump into foundation. I have it right there in my hand. I'm going in with the Born This Way foundation in Butter Pecan. I dotted that all over my face. I'm going in with this e.l.f. brush and I'm blending everything out. When I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with my face, but I know I want to have like a nice foundation, a nice base, I go in with this foundation because it never lets me down. So I have this in the shade Butter Pecan. Usually I'm about 1 to 2 pumps. That's how much I use. I don't really need much more than that. Here is just 1 pump, I believe, but off camera I added just a little bit more to my cheeks, and I'm using this Real Technique sponge to blend everything out. Now I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. And what color is this? Cool Tan. I'm using Cool Tan. If you guys haven't heard me say this before, I do have like a narrow, more longer face. So I like to pull my concealer out a little bit past my eyes just to give the appearance of having a wider face. I'm gonna add the concealer on my forehead, on my lip area, and on my chin. Grab my fan again and let this dry down some. When you let your concealer dry down, you get a fuller coverage, so that's the only reason why I'm doing that. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I like to do that, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm using my sponge to just blend everything out. So Cool Tan is just not light enough for me, so I am gonna go back in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the Sucre Dorch. I'm saying that wrong, I know, but it's going to be down in the description box. I'm going to quickly set that with some RCMA powder and move on. I'm going into my Born This Way concealer in the color Mahogany just to bronze up my skin a bit. As you guys can see, it's kind of an orange color. Yeah, I'm going to blend that out. Do you guys remember like a few years ago when that Nars brush was like the rage? This is not the Nars brush, it's a dupe. I got it off eBay a long time ago and I just found it and it's pretty lit. So eyes, jumping into eyes. All right, so we're going into the Sephora Pro palette in Deep. First color I'm gonna throw in my crease is Jet Setter. And then I'm going into Premier, and I'm going to add that color on top of the crease color. And just use that fluffy brush and just blend everything out. Now I'm going to take my finger and jump into the Glitz color, which is like this pretty purple shimmer shifty color with like blue reflex. It's so cute. So I'm using my finger because I find that you get a little bit better color payoff when you use like shimmer colors. Then I'm going back into Jet Setter and just darkening up that outer crease area, outer corner area I meant to say. And going back into Glitz with a brush this time and just putting that purple color under my eyebrow, right on the brow bone. And the other eye is done magically. Bam, boom. Now I'm setting my face with Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Tan. I don't set under my eye too much. I'm just going over where the edges of the concealer meet the foundation and then setting everything else on my face. Now I'm going into After Party, which is this beautiful orange color. I'm going to use that for blush. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it. It's really, really cute, you guys. I like it. So I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown brush just to apply that color. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with blush, so I felt like I used too much. So I'm going to go in with a sponge and just kind of dull this color down, soak up a little bit of that excess color that I feel like I put. Now, I'm going in for my highlight, and I'm going back into Glitz, and I'm just going to brush that color onto my cheek and a little bit on my forehead, like, you know, just the temple area, because I don't like to have just one streak or one line of highlight. I think that looks a little bit weird, so that's why I'm blending this out like this. Super simple, cute look. We're almost done, almost done. I did go ahead and add Premier and Jet Setter under my eye just a very little bit. So I'm pretty much done with the look. I'm going to go ahead and add lashes off camera. I'll be right back. Boom, lashes added, bun taken down, caftan taken off, butterfly earrings put on. How cute are these, right? I really like these. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did go ahead and add one rhinestone under each eye. So super cute. Got these rhinestones from like Hobby Lobby or something. And yeah, I'm really feeling the look. I like these braids, you know. I'm giving you joy vibes from Friday. But fun fact, this video was pre-recorded and these braids are long gone. But they were cute while they lasted. Let me know if you guys liked them. I think the colors were just throwing me off. I just had so many colors in my hair and I was just like, I gotta let these go. But anyway, yes, that's the look. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye.